It's late, but y'all know that I'm hungry, so let's make another snack plate. We're starting off with a classic, cheese and crackers. And you already know we're going with extra sharp cheddar because it's the best kind of cheese. Just the question is how much cheese do I need? You know what I mean? That looks good. Okay. I'm gonna add on some Ritz crackers. I like to get the little sleeves of crackers because I feel like that's like, you know, a good portion size. And then your crackers are always fresh. You know what I mean? I feel like this is the point where people are going to think that I'm going a little bit rogue. I've got a can of beets. I love beets. So, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna drain this at the sink really quick. These are not pickled, these are just plain beets. The only ingredients in here is water and salt. We're gonna season them ourselves. This is how you take beets from like here to here. We're starting off with some olive oil. Where's my vinegar? Some balsamic vinegar. Keeping it simple but classic here. Some salt, pepper, garlic powder. Carefully going to mix these together. Beets go on to the snack tray. Now we need a little bit of sweetness into this, okay? So I'm gonna go in with some chocolate covered Oreos, okay? Because we need to balance out the salt here. I'm probably gonna eat these ones too. But for now, we're gonna start with 2. Next, we're going to add pickles because, I mean, I don't even know why you would question me on that one, so I'm not going to explain because there is really no explanation needed for this one. Pickles go onto the snack plate. For the last item on my snack plate, I'm going to make a little salad mix, okay? So we're gonna start with some Kalamata olives. Now, I'm gonna go in with some feta. Oh, that was open. Oh, did I buy that open? Hold on a second. Feta! Where are you? I knew I had another feta cheese. This one's already open. Did I open this? Carl, did you open the feta? A little bit of this. Ooh, a little bit of that in there. And then, gonna add a little drizzle of olive oil. Just a little. This is delightful. This is delightful. Wow. This is the finished snack plate. And man, I am so excited to eat this. Little recap. We've got some sharp cheddar cheese, some crackers, some beets that we marinated with some olive oil and vinegar and spices, some fresh pickles, feta, Kalamata olives, drizzle of olive oil, and some fudge-covered Oreos. I'm gonna go eat this now and probably watch a Christmas movie. And I have a feeling that somebody's gonna be following me because he knows that I have cheese.